Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Let's get this unboxed. This is my new MacBook Air M3. This is not a deja vu. This is another video. A MacBook Air M3, as you all know. I just got mine a few days ago. I'm a little annoyed when I'll tell you that once we've unboxed it. So this is a silver one that I've got, the traditional MacBook Air. And this is profile on top. Looks amazing, looks brilliant. Let's get this unboxed. So this is the base model. I've got 8 gig unified memory, 256 GB SSD, 15-inch MacBook Air with Apple M3. Can't believe they released an M3 already. So nothing new here, the usual setup by Apple. You got the Designed by Apple in California booklet. So we have MacBook Air manual, a little terms and condition, and we have silver Apple stickers. We have the wall plug, dual USB-C power adapter, and we have a silver/white USB-C to MagSafe cable, and this is braided. Wow, looks absolutely stunning. Now in the corner you will see my other MacBook there, which is the Midnight, but looking at this silver, it looks really nice. It looks different to the eye. I've not had a silver one for a while. So finally the MacBook Air has been updated to M3. It looks identical to the M2. This is my M2 MacBook, and it's identical, as you can see. Fits completely on top. There's no difference whatsoever. I did say I'm a little annoyed, and if you haven't seen my previous video of unboxing the Midnight, go check it out. It's only 2 months old. So 2 months ago I bought a MacBook Air, made a video, unboxed it. I didn't wait because I wanted a new Mac. That is the unboxing of the M3 MacBook Air, but make sure to subscribe because I will be making another video comparing the M2 and the M3. Is it worth getting the M2 in 2024? I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.